Good evening to the melanated family. This is the elder coming to you with another informative video. All praises to our creators and our ancestors. The family, this video is going to be about the trade war with China. The trade war with China will bring economical disaster and hardships to America. I made a video yesterday, I think it was, about prepare yourself with all the necessary survival equipment because America is doomed. The leaders of America don't know what they're doing at all. And the only one going to suffer is the American people. That's right, with this trade war, because America does not produce anything. That's right. It wouldn't be a problem if America was producing their own goods. Don't you think that makes most sense? China produced their own goods and everybody else's own goods. So, that is common sense. That is common logic. America is being run by some people that evidently don't know what they're doing. They're greedy. They're selfish. That's right. I thought it was supposed to be for the people, by the people. But we put not me, but a lot of people put these politicians into office, and what they do, benefit themselves. All those politicians that are in office, whether it's city councilmen, whether it's state senators, representatives, this, that, and the other, they're all for themselves. America should be producing their own goods. They're supposed to be the smartest people in the world, they claim. They're supposed to be the most powerful country in the world, but yet you dependent on other people to create your own goods. That's right, everything comes from China. Everything comes from China, from hospital equipment to technology, computers and laptops, this, that, and the other, golf balls, soccer balls, basketballs, all that. America don't produce none of that. Just thinking if America was producing their own goods and they would be providing jobs for the American people. But you got a bunch of, I don't know what you want to call them. But y'all let me know. And just like I said in my last video, you better stock up and get necessary things for survival. Because America will be going through some hard, difficult times. We're already in a recession. And don't talk about it if the grids go out. Peace and love. Put up the likes and shares, and I would love to hear your comments on this subject. And I'm out.